when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Hey guys, after not having washed the car for more than 6 months, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do so I don't ruin the ceramic coating and more specifically the polishing process, as I don't want to get those swirls from the brush that it's on that public jet wash. I'm not gonna do it at home as it's still a little bit chilly and the process of taking the jet wash that I have at home is a little bit tedious. So as you can see, the condition is not great. We have some bird poo, we have some mold here, and on the top rims are pretty grim, and here we've got more mold around the rear spoiler. Yeah, more bird poop and bird poop here, bird poop here and here, and yeah, let's see if we're gonna be able to get rid of those at the public car wash. What I'm gonna do now is use my lightly diluted all-purpose cleaner and that brush, and I'm gonna agitate it where we have the bird poop and the mold, just to help the jet wash a little bit so I can get rid of those. The other two things that I'm taking is the auto wheel cleaner from Built and Hammer, and then the wash mitt. As I told you, I don't want to use the brushes that they have. I was lucky, there is only one car in front of me. And the first thing I did is spray the wheels with the auto wheel cleaner. You can see all that iron deposit. Right, it's the following day, as the days now are very short, and by the time I got back home yesterday it was already dark. So here is how it looks. So definitely it is much better. All the bird poop is gone. And now this is the more critical voiceover. So let's start with the good thing. I managed to protect the paintwork and I didn't make any swirl marks or scratches, but that came at a cost. A car that looks like it hasn't been washed recently, and the water droplets appear as if they have some dust in them, and overall the car looks a bit dirty. Probably if I did another round of shampoo and rinse and dried it out, that would have done the job. Well, I didn't, so it's me to blame. But that is just to show that for good results, we just have to spend a bit more time and effort.